Hi guys, welcome to my very first time videos. I'm trying to upload every single videos of what I have learned so far to my YouTube channel. So in this occasion, I would like to share to you about how to start getting started in quick started in Vue Js. So when we go jump into the documentation, like you can search Vue.js. You can go right into the documentation right away. Just click get started. So in this introduction part, you can see what is Vue, blah blah blah, the progressive framework, and then so we just jump onto the quick start section, and this is the prerequisites for us to make a start. So see, we can just type npm init view at latest, and the prerequisite is quite simple. So we have to be familiar with the command line and install or have Node.js on our local machines already installed. So to create build to enable Vue.js on project machine, run the following command. So we can just run npm init view at latest, just as simple as it is. Npm init view at latest, something like this. See, and we can just type enter. uh, See, we have to create our project name. For instance, I would like to create this is my first time video. Enter. This is whether we want to use TypeScript or not. We just type no, and GSX no. A view router for single page, yes. We need view router for single page. At Pinia state, no, we were gonna use Vuex later on. So at Vdes for unit testing, yes, we need testing. Cypress for end-to-end testing. I think no, not right now. ASLint, yes. Prettier, yes. Done. CD my for yo, we can just jump into our folder first time video, and then npm install just like as it is in here. So we can just wait for at the moment when this is going to be a couple of minutes to be everything to be installed in on my local environment. So I will write back to you when this is done. Alright, so we have everything already installed. So after we hit npm install, we can just see the file in here. So you can see this is not module packages already inside our local machine. So we can just open our VS code, just simple as it is. And then you can see this is the directory project. We have assets, we have components, router, etc. Views. This is where we will create our single setup, our single page, like this one. So we can just jump into the package.json. We can see the script. This is default dev. If we want to start, we can just simple type npm run dev. So before I move into the before I run the project, so we can, maybe you want to see what type of npm version and Node.js version on my local that I have right now. So I have installed Node.js 14.18. so npm version, npm's I have 6.15 npm version. So right now we can just npm run dev, just like what we have in package.json. So yeah, There it is. We can just go into our localhost 3000. So you did it. See, this is all of the getting started Vue JS. This is the first view of the first appearance of what when the first time we instantiate our project. So we can just jump into the app.js. See, here all we have is yeah, the boilerplate. We can say this is just boilerplate to our template project. So we can just simply just boom comment, we can just delete these things, we don't need it. So also right now I'm just going to just hello world. Yeah, we can just jump into the hello world component right now, but I just want to see div. So we can just h1 hello world in this app.vue file. See, you can see hello world, and then hello world. So we can also just remove all of this because we don't need it. So I will explain to you about project structure when the first time we have installed our project. So this is SRC, everything is going to be inside in here. So for instance, we have our assets, global assets, something like that. We have SCSS, and then we can just simply add a folder just like this, SCSS, something like this inside here, and then we can just create a global SCSS, just like yeah, just like when we want to create a card or create a button and something like that, we can just create in here, inside here, everything after everything, and then everything in after, everything in before, box sizing, border box, something like that. And then also HTML, font size, blah blah blah, something like that. We can set up our global SCSS inside here, inside the assets SCSS folder. This is our global setup. So for instance, we have another view. This is home view, this is about view. We can set another view in here. For instance, I just want to create career view dot view, just like this one. I have already installed extensions. If you are wondering what I have typing, just view init, something like this one, and then this is already gave me the template, the small boilerplate in here. So you can just go to jump onto the extension and then search for Vue. So if you have Vue, this is quite will help you during the development process. So yeah, something like that. Okay, that's all for my first time video. So I hope that you enjoy. Thank you. I'm not going to edit everything here. I'm just go to upload this one. This is 28 February 2022.